Okay guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video we are going to be talking about the backpack airdrop. Okay, so we are going to be talking about how you can be able to participate on the season 2 airdrop, because currently the season 2 is live and people are actually farming points right now, because you know the point that you gathered what's going to be used to determine your own airdrop allocation. So if you haven't yet started with it, this is the best time for you to get to join the backpack airdrop. As you all know, backpack is a well-established project. They have their own wallet, Solana wallet, and a lot of cool stuff comes with the project. So they are now giving us the opportunity to actually earn from their season 2. The season 1 has actually come and go, and right now this is season 2. It just started right now. So without wasting time guys, let's now get into it. Let me show you all you need to know and how you can be able to position yourself for this season 2 airdrop. Okay, so without wasting time guys, the link is going to be right there on the video description box. Just copy the link, open it up on your browser. You are going to be prompted to create your own account. You go ahead, create your account, then you go ahead and verify your own account using maybe your BVN or your NI, whichever way you want. You just get your account verified, and once you are done doing that, immediately you are going to be brought to this page that I am on right now. Okay, so everything right here is very basic and every person can actually do it. So once you have gotten yourself to this point, then we are now going to be getting started right now. Okay, so before we start properly, please, if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or if we are just coming across our channel for the first time, please kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video you are watching right now. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section after watching. Okay, so right now guys, we get started with it right now. So once you have got yourself right here, you need to come over here. You can see all those pages. You need to scroll until you see the welcome to season 2. So you go ahead and click on viewpoint. Okay, you are going to be taken to the portal where all the stuffs are being shown. So over here guys, you can see that I just started right now, and if you look over here, I've got 0 points right here, and of course you can see the next point is going to be dropping after 3 days and 1 hour at the point of at this point of making this video. So right now guys, what are the things that you need to do to get your points? All right, so what you need to do is very simple. So what you need to do from here is to go ahead and scroll down. You can see one of the easiest way that you can actually participate on this or stack point is to actually refer users. All right, so each person you refer tends to earn you rewards. For example, when I click on referral right now, okay, when I click on referral, then you can see that we are going to be brought right here where we have all our data showing about how many persons that we have referred. But unfortunately, I just created this account, I haven't referred anyone into it. So this is the first and the most basic way to get your points. So when you come over here to quest, okay, so over here on quest, we have some active quests that you can participate on. For example, we have the fragmentric frenzy, where 2 million frags are available in trading. This is basically for you to trade the fragmentric, and it's basically all about trading. And over here we have the second one as a wallet connect token claim campaign, and of course we have the next one, MadLab VIP, where you are going to be required to link your wallet and enter MadLab, stuff like that. And we have another one which is the refer and earn. So over here guys, you come over here to point. Okay, so over here on point, let's see what we have right here. Over here on point, this is basically where you track your points. This is the the dashboard showing the analytical data, how you are getting your points. So when you come over here to leaderboard, this is where you see people who are actually topping the chart. Okay, so one of the key things that you need to take note of right here is that the best way to stack up points right here is that you need to trade on this platform. All right, so the more trading volume that you have, the higher your airdrop allocation, and also the PNL that you achieve through every future trading also determines your airdrop allocation. So basically all your activity on this backpack exchange actually determines your own airdrop allocation. That's just how basically I can explain it right now. All your activities right here, both your trading volume, whatever type of trading that you are making, whether you are trading the spot trading, the future trading, or you are engaging on the lending protocol, whichever way, whatever you do on this platform determines your own airdrop allocation on this season 2. So those ones that participated on their season 1 actually got something very massive from it, but personally I didn't participate on it. So but those that participated on it actually enjoyed something very, very solid. All right, so this is basically all you need to know about the backpack exchange airdrop season 2. And remember, what you need to do right now is to simply go ahead, refer, trade, and increase your total trading volume on this platform. So everything is very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and get your account funded and start trading today. So it is all very simple, but remember to do your own research before you engage any type of crypto trading. The crypto market is very volatile and prices can move unexpectedly. All right, so this is basically all you need to know about the backpack exchange. Remember what I said, it is going to be very massive, so get yourself started right now. And this is all the info I have to show you guys right now. So thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very, very soon.